Got another vintage Microtech, about 4 years old. It's 2018. Look at that. Got it here, Morphin logo, and whenever you open it, it's a hellhound blade, but also painted. It's so unique. This is a collector piece. And signature series 2018. There's no serial number on that one, so maybe a prototype. I have no idea. So that's cool. That is very collectible and hard to find. Next, I got it here, Hawk Auto signature series, carbon fiber inlay, DLC standard, DLC hardware, all the good stuff. These ones are also extremely hard to find. You don't see them very often. You see the carbon fiber right here, and Hawk Auto 264 serial number, 2020 signature series. Boom. The pull on that is so hard. You see, if I hold it with 2 fingers, the recoil is so hard. Love that knife. But yeah, you got kind of like a carabiner style knife. Will be perfect to like tear up the boxes, open boxes, take them apart. You see how there's like a little claw. Will be easy to go into the box and tape. Microtech M390 steel. I love that knife a lot. Next, I got it here signed by Morphin, Sakoma Elite Auto Tactical Standard. That one not as epic, but the box is signed. These ones are also very rare, hard to find. Do you see this? Recoil, kicks. 2022, this one is much newer, and it's 7,795. So there's quite a few of them out there, but the shape blade is pretty cool. And then another one, Feather Breed Blaster Standard, serial number 99. That's a good serial number. That's what you want to look for, because people like number 1, number 5, 10, whatever, 99, 100, because it's actually on a blade. The serial number, Microtech, little feather, little, I don't know, fixed blade knife. Super cool, isn't it? Look at that. Flat on this side completely, and a really thick blade. Very comfortable. Let's see. Again, comes with one of this. You just put it into the flat side, locks it in. These ones are kind of hard to find too. I think it's like a limited around the head. Protec Whiskers. This one is pretty unique. I like unique mechanism and unique knives. That's what I try to show you guys off, and I like collecting them as well. So let's see what's so special about this Protec. Pretty standard, simple, around $250. But how do you pull the knife out? It has a little secret. As you can see, there's no button or anything that you can push on to fly it open, but there is a scale. You push on the whole scale right here, and you kind of have to push quite hard. Boom. That's serial number 421. So you actually push on top. Usually I'm used to pushing it down here, so you push right here. You see? The whole thing slides out. That's what's so unique about that knife. I like that. Protecs are pretty cool. But yeah, simple blade, 154 cm blade, steel. Very lightweight, super unique assistant, scaleless, hidden feature right here, so that way most people don't even know how to open it unless you have learned it or watched that video. Super cool.